Hello, my name is Gabriel Arroyo, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist with Soaring Families Counseling, located in Southern California. Today's video is going to be about 5 simple tips to finding the right mental health therapist for you. If you've been considering therapy and you're looking for the right therapist, here's a few tips to think about when you're looking for the right fit for you. First, and most importantly, it's all about the therapeutic relationship. How you feel with your therapist to making sure you feel safe and comfortable to work with them. It's proven that the most important part of a therapeutic process is how you feel with your therapist. The relationship and the connection you have with them. Not the interventions and the type and the style of therapy that it is, but that you feel connected with your therapist and feel safe and comfortable with them. We're talking about a lot of sensitive and important things in the therapeutic process, so it's really important that you feel comfortable working with your therapist. 2, experience matters to a point. Now, once again, it's all about the relationship, so how you feel with your therapist. So experience matters as far as what your therapist specializes in, and are they going to be able to address your specific needs. So many therapists have specialties. Me, myself, I work with children and families with chronic illness. So that's a very specific specialty. But I also have other specialties and I work in other areas, anxiety, depression, and so on and so on. So you want to connect with that therapist that you're interested in and find out if they're going to be able to meet your needs. What I recommend, and this is helpful for both steps, feeling comfortable with your therapist and feeling them out, and knowing if they are going to help you with your specific needs, is ask for a phone consultation. Many therapists offer free initial phone consultations, so that way you could fill them out and ask the questions to see if they're going to be able to help you with your specific needs. Third, know the difference in the licensures. There's MFT, MSW, LPCCs, other titles for counselors, psychologists, and psychiatrists. So now if you're looking for traditional therapy, MFTs, MSWs, LPCCs, those are all within that frame. So you could receive therapy from any of those licensed individuals, and even pre-licensed individuals. A psychologist, on the other hand, is a doctoral level provider. And the main difference with them is a licensed psychologist can provide psychological testing. So if you're looking for testing, a psychologist, a licensed psychologist would be the way to go for that. And then a psychiatrist is an MD. So they're a practicing medical doctor which can prescribe medications. So that's a big difference between a psychiatrist. Now, all 3 of these licensures can provide therapy, so it just really depends on what you're looking for and what specific need you have. Fourth, knowing the different types of therapies your provider offers. So now you don't need to know the ins and outs of the therapeutic modality, but it is helpful to know if it's going to help you with your specific need. Now, there's different therapy modalities, so cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT, dialectical behavioral therapy, DBT, there's solution focused therapy, and so many more. You don't have to know all the details of this, but sometimes if you're getting a referral from maybe your medical provider, they may suggest CBT might be helpful for you to address these particular needs. So once again, on that initial phone call, ask your therapist, this is what's going on. Will this particular model help me? Or what models do you suggest or specialize, and how can they help me? This could all be discussed within your initial phone call. Fifth and last, availability matters, and it's really important, especially the types of services offered. So it depends on the need that you have on how soon you want to receive treatment. If it's an urgent need, of course, please follow up with those urgent needs right away, contacting emergency services if needed, calling the crisis hotline, suicide prevention hotline, or going to the nearest hospital if needed. If there's no urgent needs, this might take a little bit of time to find the right fit for you, and that's completely okay. You might go through a few therapists to find the right fit for you, and that's absolutely okay. Take your time, find the right fit to fulfill your needs. services, you could ask your provider if they offer telehealth services. So virtual appointments might be an easy and more convenient available option for you. A lot of therapists provide this to cut down their wait times and be able to provide services a little bit sooner. So ask your therapist if they offer alternative treatment options. If you're looking for a therapist for yourself, there's plenty of resources. Two that I recommend are using psychologytoday.com or goodtherapy.org. Both of them are social media platforms for you to find a therapist, and it'll list out all of these things for you to help you find the right fit. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more information regarding mental health topics and additional coping skills. Thank you.